Hey everybody, Grant Smith with Winnebago Towables. I'm here today with Funtown RV. We're at their PDI Center in Elkhart, and Funtown RV just has, the best prices, the best selection, the best service in the industry. And the one we're going to look at today is the Thrive 18 FBS. This is actually, we have 9 Thrive floor plans. This would be the smallest of them. It's also the only Thrive that has wheel wells, so this one's going to sit just a little bit lower to the ground. And Thrives will range anywhere from 22 feet 11 inches, like this unit, all the way up to 36.5 feet with multiple slides. So there's a big range of floor plans for the Thrive. This one is definitely the lightest as well that we build. This one comes in about 4,750 pounds dry, but it's got some really nice features we're going to talk about. As with all Thrives, up front, a massive front viewing window. It's really going to bring in more effect when you're inside the unit. Open concept floor plans can make that space feel even larger when you're in there. Really, really big slam latch baggage doors. This is actually a 36-inch by 16 opening on this side of the unit. Slam latch with magnet holdbacks, much nicer. Nice awning, big awning, but it has a fusion light integrated into that awning, as well as a really easy pitch adjustment. So you can get that water to run off away from your door. So you can pitch it front or rear, whichever side your door is on, but keep that water running away from the unit, or bring both sides down. Give yourself some more sunshade. As we go down the unit, here's going to be your power stabilization switches for your front 2 jacks, so your right and left. Your rear 2 on the other side of the rear of the rear entrance door here. Nice acrylic fender. It just feels a lot more robust, a lot more solid. Everything we build runs on 15-inch tires, so this is going to be sitting on 15-inch tires. A Norco frame as well, so that's going to be a huck-bolted frame. Once it's bolted together, it's going to be perfectly square. All the parts before it's put together are fully dipped in an E-coat paint, so it's going to resist rust and corrosion a lot more as well. Everything is CNC formed, laser aligned, so we have equal pressure on it from our floor to the frame. It's just a better built frame, and you got to start with a good foundation to build a good product. You're going to have composite entrance steps here. Really, really lightweight, great pitch adjustment. Debris and water can fall through them because there is openings there in the tread. You have JBL speakers actually on this floor plan. They're mounted up top. On all the other Thrives, you're going to see them down in the skirt metal because we have a little bit taller skirt metal to put those in. Rear 2 jack switches here. Standard roof ladder. Got to be able to go up there, check your seals, and maintain your roof properly. This is going to feature an Alpha Ply roof membrane with a limited lifetime warranty. We're going to have an outdoor shower, 2-inch accessory receiver below the bumper there, and that 2-inch accessory receiver is going to be rated at 350 pounds. I really like the tail lights that we have here. They're a little bit taller, so they're more visible for when people are behind you, and they also do have an integrated reverse light as well. So when you put your vehicle into reverse, this will illuminate this area, which will work great in tandem with your rear view camera if you have that, if the dealership decides to put that in for you. On this side of the unit, we're just going to have our flush. This does have just one sewer outlet, black tank flush here, and good tank capacities. For a 22-foot 11-inch trailer, this has a 49-gallon fresh tank, a 40-gallon gray tank, and a 40-gallon black tank. Your slide, you can see this floor plan when we get inside, I love because it's totally usable with the slide closed. You'll see this is not a very deep slide. It is running on a slim rack slide mechanism, and this is the type of slide that mechanism is designed to handle. Fully laminated slide box, fully laminated rear walls, side walls. Up front here, we're going to have your water heater. And this is going to be the 60,000 BTU General Electric water heater. On your control panel, the reason we chose to go with this water heater is outside of testing, and it tested really well, was altitude settings. Most tankless water heaters don't like to work that great above 2,000 foot altitude. So if you are camping out west, you're in the mountainous areas, you can set your altitude on the control board. It'll adjust its flow rate for oxygen, so this thing is still going to work properly. And then we'll go around front and let's check out the inside. So I'm right inside the 18 FBS Thrive, and as soon as you walk in, you're going to have your monitor panel and your JBL Bluetooth head unit here. Right behind me though, easy to miss, we actually have a versatile use pantry space. This is going to have a motion light in it as well. It has a hanger and a removable shelf. So if you prefer to use this for maybe coats or extra pantry storage, you can do so, or you can use it how you need. And then below that any storage that's kind of below your waist, we try to bring that storage to you. So this will have pull-out pantry drawers on soft close drawer guides as well. The Thrives are all going to feature a microwave with a vented range hood and a 3-burner cooktop with an oven. So a little bit more full-featured kitchen, even in a small trailer. But you'll notice that the countertop this is all built into looks a little different, and that's because it's actually one-piece molded fiberglass. And we're one of the only manufacturers in the industry doing this. What I really like about it is there is 0 seams. This is entirely one piece, so your sink is actually part of your countertop. It is, I'd say, more durable than a solid surface countertop, and it's lighter weight. No seals to maintain, essentially maintenance free. You can set hot things on it without damaging it, so there's really no downside to that, and it looks great. Everything in the kitchen as well here, like I mentioned, it's all going to be soft close, but every Thrive will also have these 2 features here in your kitchen. They're always going to have a pull-out, removable utensil drawer. This is actually just on a slider here, so you can put flatware underneath that. But then below that, not 1, but 2 waste bins or a waste and recycling bin. And it's really important that we design this into the unit because it's really hard to find a space for that unless the manufacturers think about that from the factory level. Right back here is going to be your bathroom. I do enjoy this small detail, the fact that our bathrooms actually have a lock on them for privacy. Really, really good bathroom space. This does have the corner shower, and with our corner shower, we went with the type that goes all the way into the corner and doesn't level or have a flat part down here, because it gets you just a little bit extra room in the shower. So I'm 5'11", about 175 pounds. Really good size shower. Porcelain toilet with a lot of linen storage behind it, as well as a fiberglass sink even here in the bathroom. And that allows us then to go with as big of a sink bowl as we want to. So this one's actually sized for adult hands with a high-rise faucet and a medicine cabinet with a mirror. So really nice bathroom for the size of trailer that we're standing in right now. This is going to be your slide out here. And it's going to be a sofa slide, and this floor plan only comes with the sofa slide, but we do have tables that hook into the arms of the sofa, so you have a spot to set a drink or some food should you need to eat in here, maybe get out of some nasty weather outside. Those tables will actually store up here in the overhead storage above the sofa. 60-inch window in your slide as well, so lots of natural light, especially when you get that front window blind opened up. And this is what's called a jackknife sofa, so this will lay down like a futon kind of. It's really, really comfortable. This all is custom built for us in Knoxville, Tennessee by a company called Apex Custom Furniture. They use better quality components, better foams, and what we liked about them is we don't have to design our slide box around a standardized sofa size. We can design our slide box how we want, and they will custom build us a sofa to fit in there perfectly, so we don't have a bunch of dead space on either side of the sofa. It really helps bring the holistic picture of the Thrive together. Up front here now, this is going to be a 66 by 80 Olympic queen bed, and this is not an uncommon floor plan in the industry, but this is an uncommon bed size for this floor plan. Generally, you're going to see a short queen here, a 60-inch by 74-inch long bed. So this is 6 inches wider than a residential queen and the same length as a residential queen. So for people that are, 6 foot plus, they're going to be able to sleep here comfortably. Love how we've designed the wardrobes around the bed as well. On each side, you'll have these pockets. You can either access them from the front or the side, and we've done a nice job trimming that off so it looks really clean. You have a socks and underwear drawer, plus your hanging storage, plus your overhead storage, and again, no dead space, right? So we do full overlay cabinets, so easier to access. And your TV is actually located right over here. And generally in this floor plan, you only find 32-inch TVs, but we have a 40-inch TV. We actually designed, with one of our suppliers, a TV bracket that has a travel lock integrated into it. So you just have to pull that down to unlock it. And then you can bring this out. You can more easily see it from the sofa. If you want to watch TV from bed, you can swing that around and more easily see it from the bed as well. A little bit bigger TV than you'll generally find. That is the 18 FBS. If you would like more information or would like to see this in person, you can go check it out at your local Funtown RV dealership, or you can always check it out at funtownrv.com.